Good morning, Tokyo. I've woken up on this incredibly beautiful day today, but I've given myself a really unique challenge. Try and live off vending machines for just 24 hours. Why are they so popular here? It comes down to about 4 reasons. 1, automation. Japanese love it. 2, convenience. They don't have a lot of time. They're always running between work and social events, so they just grab and go. 3, no one has a monopoly on them, so you or I could own one and make a bit of money. 4, safety. Really, no one is busting vending machines. They get looked after, they're really well respected. It's just a really convenient way to get food on the go. So I can't wait to see what I'm able to find today. A lot of the time you'll find with Tokyo's vending machines is that they're all in metro stations. It's a great way to grab some breakfast on the go, so let's see what we can find in this first one. So some apple pies, some chocolate and vanilla danishes, looks like there's some pancakes over here. I'll see what I can get. So we've gone for the Hokkaido milk Danish. Let's see what it tastes like. So after my Danish, I'm now in Akihabara, which is the electric city or the anime capital of Tokyo. Time for a coffee. You can get coffees in cans pretty much in every vending machine in Tokyo. They come hot or cold, and you pretty much have an option of either a Boss or a Wanda. Make sure that you don't get the sweet one. Let's see what this tastes like. The Boss. Now it's not just food that you get in vending machines in Tokyo, there's also toys. In Akihabara here, there's literally thousands of them everywhere. Little manga and anime figurines. I'm gonna see if I can buy something for the kids. This looks cool, but this looks cooler. Hopefully I get Tokyo Tower. Okay, let's see what we've got here. That is way too complicated to set up right now. I'll give that a miss. Now, Tokyo does have its fair share of slightly dubious vending machines as well. This one, animation and beautiful girl character vending machines. But I'm compelled. I think I might buy one. I will have to go for number 7. Let's see what I got. I do love how they come out in these makeshift PVC pipes, and here is my beautiful girl toy. I've just reached the main tourist area of Shibuya in central Tokyo, and I'm really hungry. I'm looking for lunch, so hopefully I'm able to find something pretty soon. Of course, if you want a pack of cigarettes, you can still buy them in vending machines here in Tokyo as well, for about $6 a pack. Quick lemon water. After a couple of false starts looking for some hot food in Shibuya, I've decided to come down to the train station in Shinjuku to see what I can find. Unfortunately, I haven't found hot food, but I have found some ice cream. So how do I feel about a matcha green ice cream before lunch? pretty good, actually. I'm at Shinjuku Station, entry to the Marunouchi line, and I've hit the lunch jackpot. Sushi vending machine. This one's a credit card one, so I think you press the button first, then you add it to cart, then you buy, then you continue to pay at the bottom. Don't judge me. So it's late afternoon and I just got word of a ramen and gyoza vending machine in Shinjuku. I have no idea how they make ramen in a vending machine, but I'm gonna find out. Perfect afternoon snack. This is the quiet time vending machine. If you've ever been out and about, just need 15 minutes to get some emails done, well, in Tokyo, at Shinjuku Station, there's a vending machine for that too. Right here. If you've ever been on the way home from work like me and forgotten a special occasion, a birthday, Valentine's Day gift, well, in Tokyo, there's a flower machine for that. Now that my day on vending machines is coming to a close, it probably lacked the required amount of protein needed in a day. However, we found roses, we found matcha ice cream, we found ramen on the streets of Tokyo. If you do want to spend a day eating food on the streets of Tokyo just out of vending machines, it is entirely possible, but there's just one thing missing. Quite often it's the beer vending machines that are tucked right out of sight in Tokyo.